Astronomers discovered in October 2017 an unprecedented interstellar phenomenon, an object passing through our solar system. They named it Oumuamua, which in Hawaiian means messenger or scout. Since then, it has been the subject of intense scientific debate and speculation. Its trajectory, long shape, and inexplicable behaviors made it one of the greatest enigmas of modern astronomy. Now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we have the first real image of this interstellar traveler. Oumuamua looked like nothing we'd ever seen before because, in contrast to comets, it lacked a visible tail and no signs of outgassing. Unlike asteroids, its acceleration away from the sun couldn't be explained by known forces or gravity. Since its discovery, research hypotheses have been put forth, ranging from shards of ice made of hydrogen to the possibility that it is a spacecraft designed by an advanced civilization. But no answer has been finalized to date. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Telescope is designed to solve the deepest mysteries of the universe. Its ability to observe the infrared spectrum allows it to capture details impossible for other telescopes. When Webb turned its gaze toward Oumuamua, now much farther from our solar system, it captured something incredible, the first real image of this mysterious interstellar object. Webb's image has confirmed what could only be speculated before. Oumuamua has an elongated and asymmetrical shape, with a surface marked by grooves and craters, indicators of billions of years traveling through interstellar space. But what is most surprising is the composition of its surface. Complex organic compounds and elements not commonly found in our solar system. This, of course, suggests that Oumuamua originated in a cosmic environment very different from our own. One of the biggest enigmas of Oumuamua has been its anomalous acceleration as it leaves our solar system. Webb's observations have ruled out outgassing but have raised new possibilities. One fascinating theory is that the acceleration may result from an unusual mechanism, like a light sail, an imaginable technology that makes use of the pressure of light to move through space. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope's ability to analyze the light reflected by Oumuamua, scientists have been able to unravel the composition of its surface. The data reveal a mix of metallic and mineral compounds, unknown in the solar system, as well as traces of elements that could generate organic molecules. Among the most fascinating findings is the presence of a highly reflective material that could explain its unusual brightness and compounds that imply Oumuamua may have originated in a young, dynamic star system. These findings provide important clues about the processes occurring in regions of the universe where matter is organized in completely different ways than in our cosmic neighborhood. One of the most recent theories suggests that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a planet destroyed by extreme gravitational forces. These forces, brought about by a huge star or a nearby black hole, could have stretched and shattered the planet, forming objects with strange shapes. If this theory is correct, Oumuamua would be a survivor of a catastrophic event, carrying with it the history of a lost world. This opens up a new window to study how a star system evolves and changes over time, and how catastrophic events can give rise to objects that end up traveling through the galaxy. The organic substances on Oumuamua's surface have led to speculations about its role as a carrier of the building blocks of life. In a universe full of possibilities, could Oumuamua be a natural vehicle for distributing these molecules to other star systems? This phenomenon, known as interstellar panspermia, raises the possibility that objects like Oumuamua play a key role in spreading the ingredients necessary for life across the cosmos. Not only does this redefine our understanding of the universe, but it also makes us wonder whether our own existence may be connected to similar events in Earth's past. Oumuamua is more than an interstellar object. It is a time capsule that carries stories of cosmic events that occurred billions of years in the past. Its research not only teaches us about where it came from, but also how star systems change and interact in the galaxy. In addition to Oumuamua's research, it establishes the foundation for missions designed to intercept and study these interstellar travelers, offering a new perspective on galactic dynamics. This finding serves as a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be found, and Oumuamua is only the beginning. It has not only challenged our theories based on science, but also our perception of our place in the universe. We are reminded of our status as a small part of a vast and immense cosmos where such events take place continuously, even far beyond our sight. If this object has been manufactured, it might be the first casual encounter with extraterrestrial intelligence, a possibility that would transform our understanding of life and intelligence in the universe. It has influenced a new generation of scientists and engineers to think beyond our own solar system. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which seeks to develop probes at relativistic speeds, mark the beginning of an era of interstellar research. These potential future missions could not only intercept objects like Oumuamua, but also explore their characteristics, providing information that helps us comprehend and answer questions that are still unsolved. With each discovery, we move toward a future where humanity could not only observe the universe, but also interact with it in ways that we can now only imagine. Oumuamua, the interstellar messenger, is much more than an object that passed through our solar system. It is an open door leading into a universe of possibilities. The enigmatic nature of these discoveries has changed astronomy-inspired concerns regarding our place in the cosmos and shaped our future. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we have taken another step forward in understanding what it means to be part of such a vast and complex universe. Oumuamua is a reminder that, although we are small, our curiosity and desire to explore make us great. The universe invites us to dream, and Oumuamua is just the beginning of it. What other secrets await us out there? Only time and our tireless pursuit of knowledge will inform us now. Please share your thoughts in the comments box. What do you think Oumuamua is really telling us? If you want to continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Oumuamua's discovery has not only begun a brand new chapter in observational astronomy, but has also challenged preconceived notions about the boundaries of our solar system. Traditionally, astronomers believed that the space between stars interstellar space was too vast and hostile to allow for the frequent passage of solid objects. Oumuamua changed that perspective forever. Since its passage, scientists have intensified efforts to detect similar objects. In fact, new initiatives, such as the Legacy Survey of Space and Time (LSST) at the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, aim to identify fast-moving interstellar objects as they enter the solar system, giving humanity a chance to study them up close, or even intercept them with spacecraft. With this growing capability, Oumuamua may be remembered not just as a mystery, but as the first of many such messengers. From beyond, the implications extend far beyond astronomy. The chemical compounds detected on Oumuamua's surface suggest that life's essential ingredients, organic molecules, can form in a variety of cosmic environments. This supports one of the most profound ideas that life may not be unique to Earth. If Oumuamua-like objects travel between star systems carrying complex molecules, the seeds of life might be sown far and wide across the galaxy. Some researchers even speculate that technological signatures of advanced technology might be detectable in future interstellar visitors. If an object shows characteristics inconsistent with natural formation, such as precise geometric shapes, unusual materials, or non-gravitational propulsion, it could trigger a new era in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Yet, for all its scientific value, Oumuamua also touches something deeper: our imagination. It reminds us of how little we actually understand about the universe and how each discovery, no matter how strange, pushes the boundary of what we consider possible. In response, numerous space agencies and private organizations have begun planning missions that could one day catch up with or intercept interstellar objects. Initiatives like Project Lyra, developed by the Initiative for Interstellar Studies, are exploring the use of solar sails or high-velocity propulsion to pursue Oumuamua or its successors into deep space. These missions could allow us to analyze the composition of such objects directly, perhaps even retrieve samples. A sample return mission to an interstellar object would represent one of the most ambitious endeavors in human history, giving us physical evidence from another star system and potentially rewriting everything we know about the formation of planets, stars, and even life. Moreover, Oumuamua's legacy may influence the development of future instruments. Telescopes, optimized for high-speed tracking of transient objects, could become standard in the coming decades. These upgrades would not only help us detect interstellar visitors more effectively, but also enhance our planetary defense capabilities. In many ways, Oumuamua is a cosmic invitation, an opportunity for humanity to look past its own celestial bacchia.